Yeah, g'day folks. I've decided to do this video on making your homemade firelighters. So the first thing you need in your home is a female, some makeup pads, a box of matches, a lighter, a burner, a candle, a tin. And what I'm doing in there now is melting the wax. Melting the wax in that tin. It's nearly done. That will do. Try and do this without destroying myself. There we go. Right. So that wax is nice and hot. You get these bad boys. We'll just chuck a few in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put them in the wax, remembering that's extremely hot. How I've managed to do this without burning myself, I'll never know. Anyway. Right. Then we just get them out. One. Remembering that is still incredibly hot. 2. 3, 4. So we'll let them dry. We'll come back in a minute and see how they're going. Okay, so while they dry, here's some I've previously made. Voila, see? And you can tear them, just light them up, get a match, light them, put them in your fire if you don't have much kindling, and they burn for ages and they're really good when you're camping with, well, moist wood, not much kindling, take up no space, and they work brilliantly. They're quite hot and wet still, so they'll take a while to dry. There you go. Homemade firelighters from a bit of candle wax and what are these things called? Makeup pads. Alright, bye for now folks.